Okay, in this video, we'll go over pretty much every trust wallet error that you can get. So don't worry, I'll help you fix the issue that you're facing. But before we start, give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps out the channel so much. We're going pretty well, 300 subscribers per day right now. If you actually subscribe to the channel, you'll be ahead of the curve because you get I make over 20 of these videos every single day for your value. So when you get a notification, it's mostly about hot coins, something that's very searched right now and that you probably want to get into. But again, this is no financial advice, just a random dude on the internet. So here are most of the trust wallet errors that you can get, and they are available if you want to check them out on community.trustwallet.com/c/help center/troubleshooting/17. You can see the URL above. So I've seen the first question very actively in the comment section, and you can see the most errors have the most views. For example, cannot import wallet, invalid mnemonic face error. But let's start with this error. I'll just show you a few ones, and then if you have something else, you can go on the link and just check it out for yourself. My crypto is missing. What should I do? I bought some crypto. Don't see it. What's going on? Before we go any further, you need to understand first how Trust Wallet works. Trust Wallet is basically just a bridge to multiple blockchains. Technically, there is no funds stored on your wallet. The app hosts the keys that allow you to connect to the network, check your balance, make transactions. So if most of the coins are supported, there's so many coins supported, you gotta make sure you have the right address. They're giving you a lot of options. Obviously, check your internet connection, re-import your wallet, submit a ticket, all that jazz. Another very known error is actually this one right here, cannot import wallet. And they have a fix for it. They have a fix for it. Check for white spaces between words, word order, spelling, misspelling, basically the basic stuff, but some other ones as well. So if the video helped you out, give me a like. I'm trying to bring as much value to the crypto community as I can. See you next video.